Apple has historically manufactured most of its iPhones in China. However, due to US-China tensions, COVID disruptions, and overdependence risks, Apple began diversifying its supply chain by moving some production to countries like India and Vietnam.
The US government supports Apple's move to diversify away from China. However, on 30th May 2025, the US President Donald Trump declared a 25% tariff if the company doesn't manufacture iPhones meant for the US market domestically, which means that the iPhones which are to be sold in US market have to be manufactured and built only in the United States, not in India or any place else. This announcement forces Apple into a tough spot. Imposing 25% tariffs will have a significant but limited impact on India's export strategy, especially when it comes to Apple's plans.
Here is a clear breakdown. The US is one of Apple's largest markets. So, if India cannot export iPhones to the US, this would be a major exclusion for India-made iPhones. However, Apple still plans to export India-made iPhones to Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and parts of Asia. So, India still holds a strong position as a global export hub, just minus the US slice. Now, what can India do? There is a long-term opportunity as well if India can upgrade itself. This pressure might push India to further improve its infrastructure, ease of doing business, and incentives to attract more tech manufacturing companies. India could become a stronger supplier for non-US markets, even in premium segments. Now you have a question to answer. Can India still rise as a tech export powerhouse without the US market? Comment your thoughts below. We are gonna read all of them. If you are new in this channel, subscribe now because we will come again with other videos explaining big topics in simple words. This is Tanisha from Study Culture, thanking you all for staying till the end. Thank you.